In the past, humans and nature coexisted in great harmony. Those days, humanity's survival depended on its connection with nature. People connected to nature on a much more personal level because it was integral to their very existence. Today, people experience a great disconnect with nature, which is taking us away from our very essence. If this condition persists, it's going to spell doom for humanity. This condition warrants immediate and substantial measures. When one awakens to this truth, one naturally becomes sensitive and begins to experience oneness with nature. When you support nature, nature supports you. What happens to the trees and animals happens to us, men and women. What happens to the forest happens to us in our own bodies. A conscientious effort at healing the earth would manifest as the ultimate healing of our own bodies. As the sapling you planted grows, you too will grow in all aspects.